Guys, we're going to show you how to change a power supply. We're going to replace a power supply on a 201 Ricoh. So one of it is blown, so we're going to replace it with this one. So this one also was blown, so okay. This is the cover you take out. Only need to use one screw, so you unplug that, you unplug another plug, you unplug the third one and the fourth, and then you're done. So then you start taking out screws. Can you see? Yeah guys, that's it. So get all the screws. There's okay, we're done. So this one also is not working, so we're gonna replace it with this. Okay. That is one. That's the first screw. Then the second one now. Okay. Second one, you saw it went. Okay. And the third one. They're all on one line. So on that line there are 3 screws. So we're gonna get the fourth, which we're starting on this line. Get the second one, and this will be our last one. done. So now we're going to connect the connectors onto the board. One, get the second one there, third, then the fourth one. You can see 1, 2, 3, 4. So we're done. So we're going to go to the test. You put it in power, but you first switch off the power, then you put it on. Okay, then you can on here. Then once we on, you can see now our machine is working 100%. So the issue we had was the power supply. Both of them, the power supplies were blown up. So that's it. I hope now you can see how to replace it. It's not something difficult, but to get the parts is the only thing which could be an issue for you. So we're gonna do a printout test. Yeah, I think it's ready. No paper. Okay. Once that is fine, so we're gonna do counter, page counter. Okay. Listen, yeah. Okay. Print, yeah. Let's see, yeah. You can see the page counter. So the papers, the copy is clean. The copy quality is 100% fine. So that's it. We can maybe do another one. Just this is yourself. Okay. So we're taking 2 of them. So yeah, that's it. So we're done. So we're gonna just cover the machine up. Then we're gonna be concluding our work. Or our so I'm gonna switch it off here. Did you switch it off? Yeah. Okay. Take it out from the power. So guys, you didn't see how we took out the cover, but it's something simple. You're gonna see how we put it back. So you open that chamber, then okay. Let's see. Just make a screw here, then we're fine. Yeah guys, I hope that was useful. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.